public sector undertaking which is working under Ministry of Power. REC is working in collaboration with Taj Sets, in which they are distributing food packets, nutritional food packets to doctors who are working day and night tirelessly. Right now we are present in Safdarjung Hospital where this exercise is being done. Right behind me you can also see that such food packets have been called in here, in which these food packets will be given to the doctors who are working day and night to fight with this pandemic. And you see that these food packets will be distributed. We have people from REC as well as from Safdarjung. We'll try to speak to them and try to understand as to what all is there in these food packets, because yes, the doctors are fighting, the doctors are giving their best to fight with this pandemic, and to boost their morale, this exercise is being done. Sir, what all there is in these food packets, and since when you have been doing this?
We have started this. I'm from REC, and when we received this request to support frontline workers on in terms of the possibility of food, we were very happy to extend this support, and the support is for 60 days. And essentially, we tied up with Taj Sats, and they are giving whatever are the minimum requirements for full package of food for about 300 people, and this will last for 60 days.
I would request you to please show us what all there in this packet, because you are also mentioning that there is nutritional items that are there in these food packets which will help these COVID warriors also to fight this pandemic. So you see that we are going to show our viewers the items that are there in these food packets, and it somewhere helps to all the doctors who are fighting day and night. We have a packet of curd, apple, rice, and food packets, pranta, different things are there.
We have fruit, we have curd, we have roti, we have rice in this. So all whatever nutrition is required is involved in this food package.
We also have RDA, President of Safdarjung Hospital. We'll try to speak to him also and understand as to how does he feel when such exercise is done to help to all the warriors who are working day and night. Sir, आप क्या कहेंगे? What would you like to say on this exercise which is being conducted here by REC in collaboration with Taj?
First of all, we are a lot thankful for REC and Taj. They are taking care of the frontline warriors who are working in the COVID hospital. And moreover, initially we were a lot worried about our doctors, because doctors who are working in the COVID ward were not allowed to go outside and go to canteen and take their lunch and dinner. So we placed our request and we requested Taj for this, and they accepted our request, and today we are accepting around 300 lunch boxes, and it is distributed almost to each and every doctors. And most importantly, these packets are very well packed, and hygiene level is also maintained, so it's a lot helpful to us.
We are right now outside the COVID wards here in Safdarjung, where this exercise is being done by REC in collaboration with Taj Sets. Like we spoke to REC and also from doctor of Safdarjung, we understood as to how this exercise is being done. And for the last many days, this is being done by REC in collaboration with Taj Sets. Sir, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Organization है which is helping the Safdarjung hospital doctors. How do you see it?
हाँ, देखिए, this organization which it's from the public sector unit, it is named as REC. It is one rural electrification corporation. It is sponsoring provision for lunch to the so-called corona warriors, COVID warriors. Actually, you must be knowing that COVID warriors are facing challenge day in, day out. They are on duty 24/7. In fact, in order to ease them, we have divided them into two duties, 12 hours morning, 12 hours night. Now, just imagine any doctor, any nurse, paramedic or healthcare worker when works so long hours. They need to support their, health and well-being. They need quite a number of things, especially like food is very important. We have been talking that eat good quality food with plenty of fruits and fruit juices and all that. It's really very, I personally appreciate, as a head of the institution, as a medical superintendent of Safdarjung Hospital myself, Dr. Balwinder Singh, I really personally appreciate this is a great gesture It's a great gesture which has been done by REC, and this food is being provided by one of the very famous hotel, that is Taj Stats. Something very interesting I came to know sometimes back when I went to the hospital and had a meeting with the doctors, those who are on duty, COVID warriors. So I asked them, ki, are you getting your lunch and snacks? They said, ki, yes sir, we are getting very good food. And I told them, ki, look, you should be thankful to Taj because it is being sponsored by REC, and Taj people are giving it to us free of cost. It's being given very hygienic food, being given in packets. And initially they started with the number was little less, but very soon they realized that the entire nation is with the COVID warriors. They realized that why should Taj be behind. So Taj people have been exceptionally very nice, extraordinarily very considerate, and for the cause of humanity rather, I would say that they have done a wonderful gesture to the doctors, nurses and other healthcare workers by providing this food up to 300 packets a day, and for more than 1 month they are providing, and I'm sure they will continue to provide it. Next 2 months at least, we wish that they must provide it, and it will go a long way. It will go to down our memory lane, and whenever the corona will talk about COVID times later on, we always tend to recall the events. I think as far as the food is concerned, quality food, very food that improves satiety, I think this will be a wonderful, it will go down our memory lanes and we will always remember. And I personally, on behalf of my organization, all staff, all hierarchical staff, right from top to bottom, I convey them a lot of thanks with folded hands. Taj, keep it up. We love you. Thank you very much.